Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, YouTubers! Welcome to another episode of Crazy Tasty Food Reviews. Today we are in the car, and today we got Burger King.
Yay, Burger King!
And inside the bag we got the fiery chicken fries.
Ow! It's gonna bite me.
And it says, warning, hot chicks inside. Hot chicks inside. Right there. Can you see it? Can you see it? We also got the receipt. And this was a total of... Trying to find it.
$2.99.
Yeah.
$2.99.
What he said.
For 9 sticks
And we got a
chicken.
cameraman today.
Yeah,
Larry.
me.
We
Ah!
got napkins.
Oh boy.
And we got our dipping sauce. We got buffalo and ranch. So let's get into this thing. We got our chicken fries. And there's a good view of them. They look redder, and they smell like the original chicken fries. I don't smell anything different. And
Chicken fries.
I'm just gonna put the buffalo in here for when I get into dipping. But I'm first gonna try. Let me put one out for you guys. Not that big. Could be bigger.
They look a little redder than the regular ones.
Yes, you can see the seasoning on it. So I'm gonna take a bite out of this by itself. Ready, set. No, wait. There is a spice. There's a kick to it. Not that spicy. But there is some kick. There's a kick into it. As I'm sweating in this hot car.
Double heat.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a kick to it. I'm gonna try some of the buffalo. If I can. Let me put this down for a second.
Okay. We gotta get a little AC going here, baby.
Ooh, buffalo. And we figured out how to work the thing. Like that, I think. Is this how you work it?
Work. Yeah, as long as you don't sneeze.
Achoo. So let's dip it. Ooh. Oh man, it's good. It's good. When you get chicken fries, don't forget to get your buffalo dipping sauce. This is good. Gonna make room for the ranch now.
They should have a double holder there. Hold 2 of them.
Still sweating.
So how's the heat?
Pretty good. The heat's pretty good.
What do you give it?
Like I said, there's a kick to it. Could be hotter. And there we go. There's our ranch. Put it on the same spot. And let's dip it. I think, can't find the one I bit into. I think I ate all of it. I don't know. Brand new piece. Pretty good. Pretty good. No complaints. No complaints at all, Burger King. Except it could be a little bit hotter, in my opinion.
What's it on the spice scale?
Still spice scale. On a spice scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a 6. Pretty good. Pretty good. There's just a kick to it. Could be hotter, you know. If you're a hot fan, you might want to get this hotter. I will say though, the buffalo did kick the spice up a level. So yeah. Let's rate these. Remember, these are the fire chicken fries. We rate on a scale of 1 to 3. 1 being don't even bother looking at it or thinking about it, and a 3 being the best thing on Earth, Mars, and back. So I will give these fiery chicken fries a 2 out of 3. Pretty good. No complaints at all, but it could be, you know, bigger in size. No complaints with that, and it could be a little bit hotter. So yeah, that wraps it up for this episode. Don't forget, this is Crazy Tasty Food Reviews. We do videos now 4 times a week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Don't forget to check those out. And
what days?
What?
What days were those?
Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. And Saturday. So remember to check those videos out. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Comment. Tell me if you agree, if you disagree, if you had these. Just say hi. I'll say hi back. And thumbs up or thumbs down. And like I said before, this is Crazy Tasty Food Reviews. And remember to keep on going crazy. Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
And there's the cameraman.
Bye.